Hello and welcome. Myself, Dhananjay Patil, lecturer, Kekewak Institute of Pharmacy, Sandori. Today we are going to learn about Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985, Part 3. In previous videos, we already covered Part 1 and Part 2. Contains power of state government to permit, control, and regulate offences and penalties under this Act, and conclusion. Power of state government to permit, control, and regulate. Subject to the provision of Chapter 3, Section 10, the state government may, by rules, permit and regulate the possession, transport, import interstate, export interstate, warehousing, sale, purchase, consumption, and use of poppy straw. The possession, transport, import interstate, export interstate, sale, purchase, consumption, and use of opium. The cultivation of any cannabis plant, production, manufacture, possession, transport, import interstate, export interstate, sale, purchase, consumption, or use of cannabis, excluding charas. The manufacture of medicinal opium or any preparation containing any manufactured drug from materials which the maker is lawfully entitled to possess. The possession, transport, purchase, sale, import, interstate, export, interstate, use or consumption of manufactured drugs other than prepared opium and of coca leaf and any preparation containing any manufactured drug. The manufacture and possession of prepared opium from opium lawfully possessed by an addict registered with the state government on medical advice for his personal consumption. Prescribe any other matter requisite to render effective the control of the state government over any of the matters specified in Clause A. In particulars and without prejudice to the generality of the forgiving power, such rules may provide that the limits within which licenses may be given for the cultivation of any cannabis plant shall be fixed from time to time by or under the order of the state government, provide that only the cultivator licensed by the prescribed authorities of the state government shall be authorized to engage in cultivation of any cannabis plant, requires that all cannabis the produce of the land cultivated with cannabis plant shall be delivered by the cultivator to the officers of the state government authorized in this behalf. Empower the state government to fix from time to time the price to be paid to the cultivators for the cannabis delivered. Prescribe the forms and conditions of license or permit for the purpose specified in subclause 1 to 6 of clause A of subsection 1 and the authorities by which such licenses or permits may be granted and the fees that may be charged therefor. Restriction over external dealing in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. No person shall engage in or control any trade whereby a narcotic drug or psychotropic substance is obtained outside India and supplied to any person outside India save with the previous authorization of the central government and subject to such condition as may be imposed by the government in this behalf. Special provisions relating to coca plant and coca leaves for use in the preparation of flavoring agent. Notwithstanding anything contained in Section 8, the central government may permit with or without condition and on behalf of government the cultivation of any coca plant or gathering of any portion thereof of the production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, or import to India of coca leaves for the use in the preparation of any flavoring agent which shall not contain any alkaloid and to the extent necessary for such use. Special provision relating to cannabis, notwithstanding anything contained in Section 8, government may, by a general or special order and subject to such condition as may be specified in such order, allow cultivation of any cannabis plant for industrial purposes only of obtaining fiber or seed or for horticultural purposes. Offences and penalties under this Act. Chapter 4. Offences: cultivation of opium, cannabis or coca plant without license. Penalties: rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years plus fine up to rupees 1 lakh. Embezzlement of opium by licensee farmer. Penalties: rigorous imprisonment 10 to 20 years plus fine 1 to 2 lakhs regardless of the quantity. Offences: production, manufacture, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, or use of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, small quantity, rigorous imprisonment up to 6 months or fine up to 10,000 or both, rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years plus fine up to 1 lakh, commercial quantity, rigorous imprisonment 10 to 20 years plus fine 1 to 2 lakhs. Offenses import, export, or transshipment of NDPS or narcotic drug psychotropic substance. Penalties are same as above. Offenses external dealing in narcotic drugs psychotropic substances, that is engaging in or controlling trade whereby the drugs are obtained from outside India and supplied to a person outside India. Penalties rigorous imprisonment 10 to 20 years plus fine of rupees 1 to 2 lakhs regardless of the context. Offenses knowingly allowing one's premises to be used for the committing an offense. Penalties same as for the above offenses. Offenses pertaining to controlled substances precursor. Penalties rigorous imprisonment up to 10 years plus fine of rupees 1 to 2 lakhs. Offenses financing traffic and harboring offenders. Penalties rigorous imprisonment 10 to 20 years plus fine up to 1 to 2 lakhs. Offenses attempts, abetment, and criminal conspiracy. Penalties same as for the above offenses. The table below lists the current definition of small quantity and a commercial quantity of some popular drugs. These are some popular NDPS drugs, and these are their small quantities, and these are commercial quantities. Amendments. Amendment to the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. First Amendment 1988. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1988 received assent from then President Ramaswamy Venkataraman on 8 January 1989. 2001 Amendment. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Amendment Act 2001 received assent from then President K.R. Narayanan on 9th May 2001. 2014 Amendment. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substance Amendment Act 2014 received the assent of then President Pranab Mukherjee on 7th March 2014 and was published in the Gazette of India on 10th March. Conclusion. For controlling and regulating the narcotic and psychotropic substances, stringent provisions are made under the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act. Thank you so much.